What's up guys, and welcome back to Ginger TV. So before I go ahead and build my new PC, I have to clean my old PC. So this PC is going to be given to my mom because she's going to use it to do some work on it. And I want it to be clean for her, like I don't want it to have any problem with overheating or anything like that. So this PC I've used for 5 years, almost every day. I've gamed on it, I've edited on it, I've done my homework on it, I've done everything on it for the past 5 years. At first when I got into PC building, I was like all hyped about it and everything. So I cleaned it pretty frequently, like I'd say every 6 months. But after like a couple of years, I haven't cleaned it a lot. So I haven't cleaned it in maybe 2 years now, since I installed my my new CPU cooler. So yeah, it's pretty dirty. It has a lot of dust on it. It's disgusting. So today is just a great opportunity to show you guys how you should clean your PC and the methods that I personally use to clean my PC from dust. So all you actually need is just a compressed air duster. You can also use like air compressor like from a garage, or even some vacuums have a blower option. So you want something that blows air. Why you want something that blows air is because it will push the dust away from the component and will not create any static that might be able to harm the electronics. So static is electronics like death trap. So I will suggest you have a type of blower. It can be any type of blower and not something that actually like just takes the dust away. Blow it away and then just remove it with a vacuum should work. So yeah, I have a air compress like in a can and I'm gonna use it. If you have a makeup brush to go into the nooks and cranny, I really suggest one, but I don't have one handy right now. So I'm gonna use just air compressed. So this is gonna be a video about how I personally clean my computer. It's not like you have to follow it, but this is me just how I personally clean it. I'm not very proud of how my computer is right now. Like this is the fan dust filter from my power supply and it's pretty disgusting. So it has a thick layer. If like I do this on it, like yeah, it's very nasty. So I'm gonna show you guys how I clean it step by step and I'll come back to you in a bit. So if you guys have some dust filters, I don't suggest you just blowing it away, because if you blow it away, it will go around everywhere in your room. So you will double the work by blowing it away and then vacuuming it. So what I suggest is actually using some warm water and a damp towel or microfiber towel if you have one, and just cleaning them away. And it will be like the dust that you will clean will just be like in a focused area instead of like just in the air in your room. Alright, so one thing you have to do to not harm your component is actually holding the fans while blowing them. Because like if you blow like with the compressed air, the fans are just gonna start spinning super fast. And this might go against the rating of the fan spinning. So I really suggest you holding the fan and just spinning them while holding them so they don't move around. So when cleaning your computer, you want to try to remove the least amount of part possible. This will save you a lot of headache and a lot of time. So for this case, I'm going to actually remove the power supply and the CPU cooler because I will be using them in my next build. So that's why you guys are going to see me remove these two parts. But in your case, if you don't have to change anything, just use the blower, push right away, and then it should be good. The only thing that I would suggest you guys remove is actually the fans. The fans have a lot of dust buildup on them, so just removing them and cleaning them with some water, cleaning them with some napkin and with the duster will like make a day and night difference. Also, always keep this straight, because if you hold it upside down, there is a liquid that's gonna come out. So if you see this, you don't want this happening. It will actually harm the components again, so be careful. Just keeping it straight, and whenever you start feeling that it's cold to the touch, just rest it a bit and take 10 seconds of break and then come back to it. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. So everything is clean now. It took me around 45 minutes to an hour, but this was like a disaster. So that's why it took me this long. But usually if you clean your computer on a regular basis, like a 3 months, 4 months period, it should take you like 10 to 15 minutes with the compressed air. Just remove the dust here and there, the corners mostly. So that's why it took me a while, because I haven't cleaned my computer in almost 2 years, so it was really nasty, a lot of dust buildup, so it shouldn't happen on my new computer coming soon. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, I really like doing this like computer stuff because I'm really passionate about it, so I hope you guys enjoyed them. Comment down below if you did, and let me know if this video has been helpful. Subscribe for more content like this, and as always, this is Ginger TV, and I'll see you guys in the next one.